Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce PPC costs with Bing ads, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching your target audience and identifying relevant keywords. Utilize Bing's keyword planner to find the most effective keywords for your campaign. Focus on long-tail keywords as they often have lower competition and costs. Create tightly themed ad groups to improve ad relevance and quality score. Write compelling ad copy that highlights unique selling points and includes a clear call to action. Utilize ad extensions to provide additional information and make your ads more appealing. Set a competitive but reasonable bid strategy based on your budget and campaign goals. Implement negative keywords to filter out irrelevant traffic and reduce wasted spend. Regularly monitor campaign performance to identify underperforming keywords in ads. Make data-driven adjustments to bids and budgets based on performance metrics. Test different ad variations to determine what resonates best with your audience. Leverage audience targeting options to reach specific demographics or interests. Consider adjusting geographic targeting to focus on high-performing locations. Use scheduling features to display ads during peak hours for better engagement. Analyze competitors' ads and strategies to identify areas for improvement. Focus on improving your landing page experience to increase conversion rates. Continuously optimize your campaigns based on insights and analytics. Implement remarketing strategies to re-engage users who previously interacted with your ads. Evaluate all aspects of your campaigns regularly to ensure efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Make use of Bing's automated rules and alerts to manage your campaigns effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.